Hey there, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today's video will help you get your blog noticed online. We're talking about how to write blogs for SEO, that's search engine optimization. This will help your blog show up higher in search results and attract more readers. Let's get started. First things first, what is SEO and why does it matter? SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's all about making your blog easier to find on search engines like Google. The better your SEO, the higher your blog will rank when people search for topics you write about. This means more people will see your blog. So how do search engines rank content? They use complex algorithms to decide which blogs appear first. These algorithms check factors like keywords, the quality of your content, and how well your blog answers readers' questions. To rank higher, use relevant keywords and make sure your content is both useful and well structured. Next up, keyword research. Choosing the right keywords is key to getting noticed. Keywords are the terms people type into search engines. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to find the best keywords for your blog. Focus on main keywords for your blog's title and headings and add secondary keywords for extra context. Now let's talk about structuring your blog. A well-organized outline makes your blog easier to read and helps search engines find it. Start by defining the goal of your blog post, then choose your main keyword and research-related topics. Finally, use headings and subheadings to break up your content. Creating a compelling title is also important. Make sure your title includes your main keyword and grabs attention. A great title helps your blog appear in search results and makes people want to click on it. When writing your content, keep it engaging and easy to read. Use short paragraphs and bullet points. Incorporate your keywords naturally, but don't overdo it. Your content should be enjoyable and informative. Don't forget about links. Use internal links to connect to other articles on your blog. This keeps readers on your site longer and helps search engines understand your blog's structure. External links to trusted sources add credibility to your content and build relationships with other bloggers. Visual content is also important. Optimize your images by using clear file names and adding descriptive alt text. This helps search engines understand your visuals and improves accessibility for all readers. Regular updates are key for SEO. Search engines prefer fresh, relevant content. Keep a consistent posting schedule and use a content calendar to stay organized. Finally, monitor your SEO performance using tools like Google Analytics and Search Console. Track your blog's traffic and see which posts perform best. Use this data to adjust your strategies and keep improving. To sum it up, writing blogs for SEO involves using clear keywords, structuring your blog well, creating compelling titles, and using links and visuals effectively. Update your content regularly and track your performance to keep your blog successful. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Truehost Academy for more tips and tricks. Have questions or want to share your SEO blog tips? Drop a comment below. See you next time.